The Tangem Wallet represents a breakthrough in cryptocurrency storage, combining the security of cold storage with the convenience of a physical card. Unlike traditional hardware wallets, Tangem wallets are contactless cards that securely store private keys offline while enabling fast, seamless transactions. Each card is embedded with a secure chip, making it virtually impossible for hackers to access your funds remotely. This ensures users can hold significant amounts of crypto, from Bitcoin and Ethereum to NFTs, without relying on potentially vulnerable software wallets. The best use case for Tangem Wallet is its role in high-security asset management for individuals and institutions. For investors holding substantial cryptocurrency portfolios, Tangem offers peace of mind by eliminating exposure to online threats. With an average cost of $50 per card, the wallet provides a level of security comparable to premium hardware wallets but with superior ease of use. Tangem wallets are ideal for custodial and non-custodial setups alike. Institutions can issue Tangem cards to employees or clients, granting controlled access to corporate crypto assets. The cards are tamper-proof, and even if lost, the assets remain secure through recovery options provided by the Tangem ecosystem. This use case significantly reduces operational risk while simplifying asset distribution and management. For individual users, Tangem Wallet is perfect for everyday transactions combined with offline security. Users can make payments at merchants supporting crypto or trade assets instantly by tapping the card with a smartphone. Unlike paper wallets, Tangem cards are durable, water-resistant, and built for repeated use, making them practical for both daily crypto usage and long-term storage. Tangem Wallet's strongest advantage lies in its simplicity paired with security. Investors can store, spend, and transfer crypto confidently without worrying about online hacks or device failure. For anyone serious about safeguarding digital assets while maintaining accessibility, Tangem Wallet offers a unique, reliable, and efficient solution that bridges traditional finance convenience with blockchain security.